Okay, welcome to the unboxing video of the HT380 NA61UMSG. Here's the size of the box. Open it up with the flaps in the front, forward towards you like this. Alright, so you'll see in here a regulatory document, regulatory compliance statements, and this rugged handheld terminal HT380 quick start guide, and underneath that layer is the hardware. Let me show you some more of the quick start guide real quick. Okay, so it says here that the standard package contains these items and the small package contains these items. The smaller one doesn't include the cradle and so forth. Now the optional accessory, and actually the one that you need, as you'll see in a minute, is this line cord. So the line cord will plug in to the cradle's power adapter. Okay, so let's go with the box and find out what else is in here. This shows you how to, what the features of the device are, the hardware features. And then this shows you where the USB charge connector goes in on the side, which buttons to push for scanning. The bottom of the unit has some pogo pins for charging, and shows you where the the scan window is, and where the speaker is, the battery lock cover, and you're actually going to see a hand strap on the one we pull out of the box, and the LED up top for scanning. And the system LED indicator. Okay, so in the box is a USB cable. Underneath the USB cable is the battery. You also have the HT380 cradle with a battery charging well in the back. Here is the HT380, and under the HT380 is the power supply box. Let's get the power supply box out and show you how that works with the cradle. Okay, so you have the power supply. You need to plug in the 3-pin line cord to that, and then this end is going to go into the cradle. So I'm getting the cradle box out. Here it is. So here's the cradle. And underneath here, if we get the lighting just right, I'm going to show you the barrel connector, where you plug in the power adapter. Put the cable like this. Alright, now I'm going to pull out the battery box so I can show you how the spare battery, or a spare battery, can be charged. Okay. Here's the battery. Alright, there's the pins, and those pins can line up here. And charge the battery. So let me plug the other end into the power supply in the wall. And you should see a light at the front of the cradle showing that it is got power to the cradle and it's charging the backup battery. Because if I take this battery out, you'll show that the backup battery is no longer charging. Looks like it's got a good charge. Alright. Now let's show you the HT380. Okay. So the HT380 hand strap can be loosened like that. Okay. And then you gotta slide this to the open position and use a fingernail and a little leverage to get the cover off. I'm going to take the battery out of the spare battery charging well and line up the battery like this. Alright, I'm going to put the cover back on. Push down firmly and slide to the lock position. The hand strap comes kind of tight, so you're going to want to loosen it up like that so you can get your hand under it. Some people can put their hand this way. Some people probably find it easier to put it there. And there we go. Let's turn it on. Okay. So while that's booting up, I'll talk about the USB cable. So the USB cable can charge and also allows you to communicate with a PC. So if you need to sideload any applications, of course you have Wi-Fi as well. The device connects via Wi-Fi. But the USB cable has a USB type A and C end. USB-C end is going to plug into the side of the HT380 like that, and the other end can go into a computer to sideload applications, or you can charge it through this cable. Alright, thank you for watching my unboxing video.